Okay, for number 20, we're looking for a transitional word or phrase here. And let's read the context that we can, figure out what we need to do. So the sentence before is some employers utilize several approaches simultaneously, developing a framework that suits the particular needs of their employees. Around the same time, the figure illustrates a simple yet comprehensive professional development model. Okay, we're talking about this figure here. So, around the same time, what does that usually mean? Well, it usually means that, well, what you're about to describe occurs, simultaneously with what was said before. But a figure illustrating a simple yet comprehensive model doesn't is not a process or event that occurs simultaneously with this, right? So this is not going to work for us. What about B? Besides that? Well, besides that means that what you're about to say, you know, usually somehow continues the same line of thinking, but but is still a different point. Just sort of like an also, right? And again, it doesn't really fit here just because even though the figure is definitely on the same topic, um, this sentence isn't a continuation of this idea, right? It's just one statement followed by another statement that are on the same topic, but one doesn't really continue from the other. Nevertheless, nevertheless means that what you're about to say is despite or in spite of what was said before, and that's not the case here. The figure illustration, illustrating this, isn't in any way in spite of the fact that employers use several approaches, right? So C is out, that which leaves us with D. So if we just delete it, it works out perfectly fine. If we just say that they utilize several approaches, developing a framework that suits the particular needs of their employees, the figure illustrates a simple yet comprehensive professional development model. Yeah, that sounds good. So D is our answer.